people talk about, how to objection handle what's called sticker shock, which is where you drop the price. Well, if your call, if we're looking at like emotional state / intensity on a graph, if your call was like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, you drop the price and there's this like spike of like, oh fuck, like I'm on the phone, someone's just asked me my credit card number, they've dropped a $15,000 price. That's what sticker shock is. Whereas if your call starts like this and then from the opening question goes up like this and it's up, 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 and then when you drop the price, that's actually the least crazy thing. Now you don't have sticker shock.
I had another takeaway, which was very profound from what you said to Daniel. It's like I feel like we're trying to logic them into buying a lot of the times. When you're like, dude, it's an illogical
totally
decision
logical.
for these people to do it.
Correct.
I'm like, oh yeah. Yeah, it's really not. But in my mind, I'm like, well, it is logical because it's like you're solving your problem. I'm like, well, we're people on the internet that are asking you for,
Your credit card number.
10K. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like today on this call.
Yeah.
You don't know me.
Yeah, you don't know me. I'm going to have a recorded Zoom call with your credit card number on it, even though you're not supposed to do that. Every fucking closer forgets to turn off the recording. Like, this is fucking locked in the internet permanently. And you've given me a massive amount of money that you've never given anyone probably before. And you're giving it to a stranger on the call that you met 45 minutes ago and that you're never going to speak to.
Yeah.
So you don't know if my name on the Zoom badge is my real name. You've not seen my photo ID. You don't know where I fucking live. And like you said, very, very accurate. You're trying to logically get them to a point where they do that.
Yeah, they see the value.
There's no logical way they're going to do that. It has to be absolutely absurd, the conversation you've had, that they're like, and you hear prospects say it, and people have posted this in the mastermind where they post the bit of the call and the prospect says, I don't know why, but I just feel like I need to do this and enroll. I can't explain why. Like, you've just made me feel that way. That's real selling.
Because of the stakes. You got more and more real stakes.
The connection, the spirituality, self-actualizing. None of it's fucking logical.
Yeah.
Because the logic is they want to solve their problem, like you said, but cool, fine. They can go away, think about it, look up your photo ID, look you up on the internet. Like, that would be more logical. But you don't want them to do that. And neither do they need to. And that's why one of the fundamental things you also have to include in all this is you have to be ethical. You won't get people to do something illogical if deep down you aren't ethically wanting them to do that. Like, I ethically want to push someone over the fucking line on a sales call because I'm doing it for them. I'm ethically trying to manipulate them and force them to buy because I'm using those tactics, manipulation, and pushing someone for their benefit. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.